Kyla's like, do you have a lock for the stroller? I'm like, no one's gonna steal the stroller.
I was all like, what is Mew Mew?
Start throwing stuff off the 35th balcony.
I love it.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Rocks on the ground.
You want me to take you a drink, right?
Good morning, guys. So we're currently going to dinner. We're trying to find this ramen place, so we'll see if we make it there. But we have Kyvan right here. We're exploring the area. Say hi. Hi. I'll show you guys once we're at the restaurant. We're on the streets of Hawaii. Look at this.
You remember? We ate this one time too. Let's do it.
There's Mom and Uncle Koi. Then here's Uncle Kan and Ko Tao. Hello. We're back at this Thai place that we tried last time. Do you guys remember this vlog? You guys should check it out. So we made it. This is the name of the place. And here's the menu. We have some soups, salads, entree, salad, entree. Here's everyone. Conversing across the table. Chaos. Chaos. Koi, say hi.
So we're going to sing later.
Who's singing?
It's so fun.
Uncle Kang, are you singing tonight?
It depends on how many beers I have. I know.
Why? Kyvan! Here's papaya salad and tom yum soup and a bowl of fried rice. It just came out. Looks so good. This is one of my favorites. Noodles, yeah, with beef. Here is calamari. Look at Kyvan eating. He's so cute. He's waving hi. Hi. Sorry, I'm busy. I'm eating. Please leave me alone. I'm eating. What are you feeding him? He likes it.
Dark chicken.
Oh, no wonder. You have good taste.
The meat was too dry for him to eat.
Chicken is the best.
I'm like, where am I going to park this?
This stroller.
Right here, dude. And then the love is like,
He's like, where am I gonna park the scooter? Tyler goes, do you have a lock for the stroller? What if someone takes it, parks it right next to a scooter?
Yeah, you see this garage right there? That's a two-car garage right there. How did I get here? Where the other two guys?
Kyvan, your ride's here.
You didn't lock this.
Your ride's here. Uber's here.
I used to be cool and like going like you know. Now I push around a scooter. Not a scooter, a stroller. This is a stroller.
Kai's like, my ride's here.
You have to go down and check it.
Look, he's happy.
Yeah.
Funny, man. Why the two guys? So I have this thing with Linda. If there's a hot girl that we see, I will jump off and she's gonna push it. Take over. Right, Linda?
No, it happened, and three of them stayed with him.
Pushing a baby stroller. No way.
This is the true ride.
If you cross here, it's easier. There's no light.
Look, 1 child, 2 child, 3 child. It's a triple stroller.
Very cool. MTV Cribs. This is a double stroller. Where you can do 3 kids at once.
We are currently walking on the streets of Hawaii.
We're gonna go to a club right now.
With the triple stroller.
I think they let you park the stroller outside the club.
They're all like, they'll take a picture next to the triple stroller before they come in.
And I have a lock for it just in case someone try to steal it. Tyler's like, do you have a lock for the stroller? I'm like, No one's gonna steal this stroller. No one's gonna steal this stroller.
It's a fancy, it's a triple stroller, so we never know.
It's not like a Ferrari or something.
It's like a high-class bike or something.
That was so funny. He asked me that.
Good morning, guys. So we are on our last day in Hawaii, or second to last day, including airport day, but our last day to venture out. We're currently walking to a ramen shop to eat some ramen. It's the same shop we went last time, so it's gonna be fun to reminisce and remember when we were here, I think 3 years ago. But here's Victoria. Hello.
Hi.
You ready to eat ramen?
Yes, I'm so hungry. I want to try a different ramen.
Yeah, I don't even remember what I got last time, so we'll see. I might end up choosing the same thing knowing me, but after we eat ramen, we're gonna go ahead and head to the beach. Today is a beach day. Are you excited?
Yes.
So there's some shops there. There's the ramen shop.
The tree that we took.
There's Mom. And then here's like the street where there's like shopping, foods and stuff. It looks so much different now that there's like COVID restrictions and stuff. We are at the ramen place. It's crazy, they put like these little dividers and everything. So last time we sat over there, I'll put the vlog up there, but yeah, here's the ramen place. Ramens just came out. Me and my sister got the mini one, so we got mini oxtail ramen, and then we got fried rice. And then she also got oxtail ramen, but spicy. And then that's the regular size, which my mom and dad are gonna share. Yum! And then we also got some gyozas, so it's coming out right now too. Yum! Look at that, guys! It's so good. I wanted to do a ramen shot for you guys. Ooh, look at that! And then let me show you guys the oxtail. Oxtail. Say it again.
I thought you were going there shopping, huh?
My uncle was like, "Oh, have you heard of Miu Miu?" And I was all like, "What is Miu Miu?" What is Miu Miu?
Với Chanel với Dior vậy thôi. Tiền mắc tiền.
And then he was all like, "Oh, tell your boyfriend to take you there to buy you something."
One day I buy something expensive because you're a doctor.
Hello, guys. Hello. We're headed back to the hotel now because we're gonna meet up with my Uncle Koi and the kids to go to the beach. We're having a beach day today, and yeah, we'll catch you guys at the beach. And we have our bathing suit already underneath.
Are we waiting for both?
Hi, Uncle. We're waiting for the whole family, and look what Uncle Koi brought. The amazing, lovely.
I am the butler.
We love the butler.
Like, I think there's other butler, but I guess
This is the one, guys. 10 out of 10. It's so good. What was it? What was it called? What is this called?
Mango mojito smoothie.
Uncle Koi special Hawaiian drink.
1 to 10, what do you rate it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
It's a good smoothie
10?
with alcohol. 10.
We got 2 10 out of 10, so that means it must be
Good.
amazing. But we're gonna head to the beach. What happened?
Started throwing stuff off the 35th balcony.
At the Ritz-Carlton.
And I looked at him and like, oh, you did.
And they were asking him where was his shoe, and he was like, they threw it off the balcony.
No, he threw out the sunblock off the balcony.
Oh, he threw the sunblock off the balcony?
Today.
And I thought it would hit someone, so I backed up.
Hawaii, để xem con phim mấy thằng Hawaii nè.
There's Kyvin. Hi, Kai Kai. Hi, Kai Kai.
I have a stroller. I'm faster than those damn people back there.
He has one stroller, and then they're still back here. He says that he has a stroller, and he's still going faster than the people behind us. Hi, Mai.
Bye.
We're headed to the beach. We have arrived at the beach. They're choosing a spot. Here's everyone. Hello.
You know we've been to that store in the corner.
Really? Oh, he doesn't like sand, or it's too hot. And then here's Tak. Tak, say hi. Can you see him? I don't think they can see you. Oh well. Here's the beach view. Wow, it's so pretty. Look how gorgeous this is. Everyone's taking some pictures. There's the kids. Hi, come say hi. Bye. Not bye. Hi, silly. Hi guys, we're currently at the beach chilling. This beach, a lot of rocks, so everyone's feet hurt, so we're not really going in that deep. Gotuet just got us some shaved ice. Thank you. What flavor is it?
That is strawberry guava with smashed bananas and dragon fruit.
Ooh, looks so good.
Am I wanting
Here.
some?
Hi guys, we're eating the shaved ice. Oh, so good. Taste it, taste it. Yeah.
Đây là gì?
Ooh,
Mango, banana, dragon fruit.
so good. Do you like it? So good.
I love it.
Nói tiếng Anh dễ dễ thương không?
I love it. I love it.
Here's some Coke. This is some Coke.
I love it.
No, let me do it. Let me do what she does.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Do it again. Push it out. Push it out. he pushed it out and it looked like he pushed out a duty, but it was all sand. Rocks on the ground, on the inside the water.
Like you walk into a mine, a bomb mine.
There they are. About to get a drink at Kawa Oasis. There's my aunt. Cute.
You guys grab 2 drinks, and then I just put a little bit of alcohol.
We're at Kawa Oasis, and we're gonna get the lava flow and the mango flow. Hello.
I'm trying to be all natural.
I like her bathing suit. Look how cute.
You know what? I got this from this place called 21 and Forever. Oh, actually, it's Forever 21.
Guys, we just got the drinks. Here's one. This is lava flow with the strawberry puree.
I got the mango flow.
Yum. Hey guys, so we're just about to be done with the beach. We're gonna head back to the hotel and maybe chill at the pool for a little bit. They got tons of pictures. They're still going. We're about to head back to the hotel. I know. And then it was so funny. So you know how Kai threw the sunblock down the area, like he lost it? We didn't have any sunblock, and I told him, I'm like, I'm literally gonna get burned. But luckily, Potoe went to go get sunblock, and it saved us. Probably still a little burnt. My boyfriend calls me a vampire because literally anytime I'm in the sun, I literally get so red like this. Look who's awake. Hey. Uh-oh. Say hi. Wave hi. Say hi, Kyvan. Is it your feet?
You buying ice cream?
See your feet? Tika. Did you say stop?
Low.
Oh yeah. Up high.
Up high.
Up high.
Now low.
Yeah.
Down low.
Down low.
Too slow.
Hi guys, we made it to the pool. Pool time.
My hand cannot do that.
You're so, I can't even see you
My
because of the
hands are weak.
shadow. So snacks just came out. We have some wings, noodles. chicken fingers and fries. Yum! Here's everyone. I look like a panda, but it's okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Hi, Tyler. We made it back. Right now we're chilling.
Am I the sour?
No.
We're relaxing before dinner. So we're trying some pineapple sour belts.
Oh, it's actually pretty good.
Good?
So like the Dole Whip ice cream is in the sour ball. It's not sour. That's interesting. Yes.
Mmm. Yum. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm.
You look like your videos.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Okay, Mike's doing a taste test.
Mmm. 10 out of 10.
Hi, babe. Cheers. Cheer, no cheater. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Not the rest.
So we're about to leave, and Kyvan literally grabbed his shoes and he's blocking the door because he's all like, "Don't leave without me." I'm dying. This is so funny. Hi guys. So we're all. Huh? Yeah. So we all are awake now. No one really took a nap, but everyone kind of chilled around for a couple hours. Oh, she took a nap. Oh, and Mai took a nap. Mai didn't take a nap, but we all got ready. We're now going out for dinner. I think we're eating at a sushi place, so that should be fun. She loves being on the vlog. Hello. Hello, hello. Anyways, we're going to eat at a sushi restaurant. The whole family's in the back. My other uncle is gonna meet us there, but I'll film what we're eating and everything. But this is our last like proper meal in Hawaii, and then tomorrow all of us are flying out. My Uncle Kang over there is flying out first, and then I think it's us and then my other uncle. Hello.
Aloha.
Guys, we just finally found the sushi place. We literally got lost. This is the sushi place. Here's the whole fam bam. I literally was walking and I saw him and I was like, that's Uncle Koi right there.
Me and Tyler were trying to find it. He's very good.
We just got seated. Hello. Wave hi. It's not a picture. Yeah. And then here's everybody else. And then my mom's down there somewhere too. We have this crazy munchkin right next to me. Look at him. Look how big he is. He's sitting in a little booster and everything. Don't worry guys, we have him covered. He won't fall. Oh, he's blowing his nose. Are you blowing your nose? Are you blowing your nose? Alright, so there's oysters and then
oyster,
two
salmon
dishes.
carpaccio, and tuna carpaccio.
Narrated by... There's the crispy eel roll. Look at that. Wow.
Family! Aloha! Mahalo!
Here's the... Woo, thank you.
Yes! You want me to take you to drink, right? I think I'm going to do it. Yeah. Do you drink one? Right now.
We made it. Honolulu cookies. Good morning guys. So We just went to the Hawaiian cookie store as I showed you guys, and we got some cookies for like Tack and like some other people and for us. And then we just came to the Island Country Market, which is right there, to get some food before we go on the plane and everything and go to the airport. But let me show you what we got. Share this, which is the breakfast sandwich. It's so good with sourdough bread. And then she also got some Dalgona coffee, which looks amazing. And then we also got a couple souvenir stuff for friends and family and stuff. So we got some keychains. They're so cute. We packed and everything, so after my mom comes down, we're gonna go ahead and grab our bags and everything and head over to the airport. End the vlog here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye! Say bye to everyone. Bye, go twins! Bye, Uncle! Bye! Love you.
So we're good?
Yeah.
We're all happy with the thing?
Bye, Tyler.
We're happy with the thing?
Yeah. Bye, my bud.